Hey guys, Tariq here. You may have noticed in some of my previous videos that I'll have taken the time to highlight certain key elements. Doing this can really help to focus your audience's attention exactly where you want it to go. To get started, I want to highlight where my friend Marv J and I are standing in this drone footage. First, duplicate your clips and stack them directly on top of each other. Next, drop the opacity of the bottom clip down to below 50%. Now you shouldn't see any changes take place yet because you still have the duplicated clip on top. Here's where that changes. Go to your effects panel and search for crop. Then drag it onto your top clip. Next you can adjust the left, top, right, and bottom sliders to leave only the section of the video that you want to be highlighted. If you found this information valuable, please make sure to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, for other creatives to find this video as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe, so you don't miss videos just like this one that I'll be posting in the future. Thanks for watching.